United States President Donald Trump's ban on refugees and travelers from 6 mainly Muslim countries goes into effect late Thursday after a Supreme Court decision allowed it to go forward. The Trump administration says the temporary ban is necessary to block terrorists from entering the country, but immigrant advocates say it illegally singles out Muslims. The 90-day ban on visitors from Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen, and the 120-day ban on refugees will allow exceptions for people with close family relationships in the U.S. But critics say the government defined that too narrowly, excluding relationships with grandparents and grandchildren, aunts and uncles, and others. There are also concerns about the possibly chaotic rollout of enforcement of the ban, like what happened in January when it was first announced. The Department of Homeland Security, which was heavily criticized for mishandling many arrivals when the ban was first attempted in January, vows a smooth rollout this time. It says anyone with a valid visa issued before the ban begins would still be admitted, and that all authorized refugees booked for travel before July 6 will also be allowed. In support of National Disaster Consciousness Month, Rappler will hold the first ever Agos Summit on Disaster Preparedness from July 7 to 8 at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura, Taguig. The summit will gather disaster management experts, stakeholders, and volunteers to talk about how we can all be better prepared for climate change and disasters. Tickets are limited, so register today.